In this video, I'll show you how to remove pet urine odors from carpet. Now to do this, we're going to be using something called an enzyme cleaning product. I'll teach you all about enzyme cleaners in this video. I'll tell you which enzyme cleaner I recommend, and I'll show you where you can buy it. So if your dog or your cat leaves you a nice little surprise in your carpet, the urine will seep down into the carpet backing, then into the carpet padding, and probably even down to the subfloor. Now, if we could thoroughly clean these areas, we would be able to remove the odor without the use of an enzyme, but unfortunately with wall-to-wall carpet, we can only really clean the top layer of the carpet. The molecule in urine that's responsible for the urine odor is called a urea molecule. So the only way to make the smell go away is to remove all the urea from the carpet. And since we can't clean the urea out of the carpet, we have to use an enzyme called urease to break it down and to cause it to decompose. Now I'm going to walk you through a 3-step demo on how to do this. I'm going to be using a natural enzyme cleaning product called BioClean Back Out Stain and Odor Remover. You can buy this on Amazon, and I'll leave a link for you in the description below the video. BioClean Back Out uses a variety of live enzyme cultures that produce the enzyme urease as well as many other enzymes that target other odors. So this product will remove many other odors in addition to just urine odors. For step number 1, the first thing we want to do is to locate where we are going to spray the enzyme cleaner. So if there's a yellow or a brown urine stain on the carpet, it's easy and we know exactly where to spray. But sometimes there's no visible indication of where the urine is. So in these cases, we can either stick our noses to the carpet to find where the smell is strongest, or an easier way would be to use a small UV flashlight. It's important to know that no matter how many times a urine spot has been cleaned, it will always glow under a UV light. What you're looking at right now is what urine stains look like under a UV light after they've been professionally cleaned and treated. Now that we know where to spray the enzyme, we can start on step 2, which is applying the enzyme cleaning solution to the affected area. I've added the BioClean Back Out to a spray bottle, and I'm going to start by spraying the surface of the carpet. After that, I'm going to put the nozzle right against the carpet and spray the enzyme cleaner directly into the carpet backing. I'm going to let this sit and absorb for a minute, and then I'll repeat and add some more enzyme cleaner to the carpet backing. We want to add a generous amount of enzyme cleaning product to the carpet because we want the enzymes to completely engulf the affected area. If we don't engulf the entire affected area, we'll be leaving some urea molecules in the carpet, and hence the odor will still remain. Now that the enzymes are in the carpet, we should let them sit and dwell for at least 8 hours. The more time you let them sit, the more time the enzymes will have to break down the urea molecules, and the better the final results will be. It's now 8 hours later, and we can move on to the final step, step 3. For this step, we're going to rinse the enzyme cleaning product from the carpet. To do this, place a clean towel over top of the affected area, then stand on it to absorb the enzyme cleaner into the towel. Repeat this step with clean towels until the towels stop absorbing moisture from the carpet. After this, spray the affected area with a little water, then once again place a clean towel over top of the area, stand on it, and allow the water to absorb into the towel. I just want to give 3 final tips for anyone who's going to try this at home. First off, make sure you shake the enzyme cleaning product before applying it to the carpet. Secondly, make sure you apply a generous amount of enzyme cleaning product to the carpet. Remember that we want to add enough so that the enzyme naturally engulfs the area that was once soaked by urine. My final tip is to make sure that you let it sit for at least 8 hours so that the enzymes have time to do their job.